Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Before we start with S&P 500, we have the rate cut coming at 2 p.m. And let me be clear, no if, no but. And today, there is no rate cut. So pay attention. This is not going to happen. Why it's not going to happen? Because it's so obvious. Market has already priced in 0.25% rate cut. Everybody is dancing on the floor that rate cut is coming at 2 p.m. and market is not the place where things move so obvious. Whenever you are 100% sure that, oh, this will happen, everybody thinks this will happen, it will never happen. That's what the stock market is. Okay, so there is a 100% possibility, not 99, 100% possibility there will be no rate cut today. Okay, because it will be too obvious if they cut the rate. Yes, the next rate cut, there will be one more rate cut this year, most likely. I'm not sure whether it will be November or December, but there will be one more, most likely. But today, I don't think so. All my calculation is going against the rate cut decision. So what we are looking on the S&P 500, overbought right before the major event of the interest rate cut and the major earning. So the pullback is due. The market will pull back here right in this area. We are in the price discovery, all-time high outside of the channel and outside of the linear regression. A sharp decline right here, 1-2%. I don't know how much, but a little bit pullback right in this area. We can't say there's a major sell-off here, which is not going to happen because the major sell-off point is 698.52 to 700.11, $700.11. That's the zone where we'll have a major sell-off. Right here, no major sell-off, but 1-2% correction. Yes, that's very much expected right in this area. Most likely we will see some 664 and below. Okay, this right in this area. So this is the possibility of 660 area at least. So 28, which gives us about 3%, I think. Yeah, roughly about that one. Yeah, so about 2 to 3% of correction here we are looking at. Okay, so make sure you are prepared. Sell the covered call, sell the OTM call as much as possible. Buy some put. Keep an eye on the VIX. Market is due for pullback in this area. Okay. Moving forward to QQQ, same situation. Market is due for pullback again. Okay, again back into 610 area, right in this area. This is the area that we are looking at, 596 here. Nasdaq has more downside than the SPY. SPY will still drop, but it will drop less compared to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is tech heavy. Okay, you need to know that. And when the market sell off, the tech are the first one to be targeted. They tank badly, like 5%, 7%, all the stocks. So the Nasdaq will sell more than the S&P 500 overall. Moving forward to NVDA, I will not take any trade right in this area. We are in the rising wedge at the top right in this area. Stay clear of this one. They eventually take the opportunity when the market tank. Okay, when the market sell off, then you should look for the new entry. Not 160. I will say this is the area that I'm looking at, 170 area. Okay, there is a lot of upside on NVIDIA. Okay, but upside doesn't mean that it will continue going upwards. Okay, this is where the institution bought it, 152.343 million share. And there is a possibility of not to take this point, which is 164, but the closing of this candle right here, which is about 169. There's a real possibility when the market will sell off, the NVIDIA will tank to 169 and then continue upwards. Okay. Right now we are in wave 5. So we are in the last stretch of the market. Okay. So there is not much of juice left in the market. You need to know that. And this is where the bull trap are created, always at the all-time high. The people, the bag holder are created always at all-time high. Okay. And this is the perfect setup now. Moving forward to Circle. This is what we are looking at. So overall, we are bullish on this one. Every dip on this stock is a buy. Okay. So what we are looking at right here, you need to pay close attention on this stock. When the price retrace like this one, like dump, goes up like this, mark the bending top, and then the price comes back to same area, 108. Let's say this price comes back to 108. That's your all-in entry. All in, no exception. Once we retest the same area, there is no exception. You put every single egg in a single basket, because that's where the stock will double. Because once the price comes back to 108, then the straight target will be right here, all-time high, 298. Okay, so if right now we have a rejection on the 50 EMA, we are looking for a little bit of retracement. I'm bullish on the stock. Okay, we'll be monitoring this one. So the strategy right now will be trading circle with the covered call. Buy the share, sell the covered call on a bi-weekly or monthly. Okay. So if these are the two areas that we'll be monitoring, either we should break out right here. Once we break out, we are 100% bullish. The stock will continue. Right now, we are in non-trading area. You need to know that every stock has a different analysis. You can't treat every stock in the same way. So right now today, because the candle was trying to cross and failed, and next candle closed on a daily time frame below the 50 EMA, means this trend, this bull trend has failed. Okay, so now the next candle, which is today and tomorrow, or some kind of deal with NVIDIA, either the one candle should close above the 50 EMA, open and close, and again we will take the entry, or we will wait for the retracement in this area. This is not the trading area. Don't try to trade this area right here. This area, don't try to trade this. Okay, if it's pullback, yes, like in few days we will have a better entry on this one. Either side, it doesn't matter. There is no harm buying this stock at 143 instead of 136 right now. If you are buying after the confirmation at 146, 147 area, you know that I have a confirmation, price is above 50 EMA, volume will increase, and the price will continue upward momentum. Do not buy at the key area when the market is undecided. Look at this particular candle. This is called dual directional, undecided candle. This one, nobody knows where the price will go, including myself. I have no idea where the hell the price will go on the next candle, because this candle is undecided and bullish engulfing. It's not bullish, but engulfing at the top. The price started going from here, and this candle is engulfing. So next candle, whatever the side the wick will take down, the price will go that side. Let's say today the candle is red and open and close here in this area. Here, let's say it's open and close the candle here. The stock will be bearish. If the candle open and close right here, upside, right here like this, then the stock will turn bullish. So we need to wait for the next candle. Sometime it's monitoring. You need to monitor the stock when we have a dual directional candle. So today there is no trading on circle. Wait for the today's candle to open and close, and then we'll decide where the price will go. Tomorrow I'll have more clarity on this one. Moving forward to BMNR. Okay, overall stock is bullish. Every dip is an opportunity. This is directly linked to the Ethereum. Ethereum has upside to 4,800 area. That's what I'm looking at. And yesterday I alerted in the Discord as well. 4,800 area is from here. We are looking for the jump. Okay. Every dip on Ethereum is a buy. It doesn't matter. Okay. We are in a symmetrical triangle. This thing, I did the drawing yesterday. This is what we are looking at on a symmetrical triangle. Okay. So we are waiting for the breakout. It will take another few days. It's not happening tomorrow or like 3 days or 5 days. So most likely we are looking at another between, let's say, these many candle form in this area. So we are looking at approximately about another 15 to 20 days right in this area. Okay. So if I give you the candle, for example, right here to here, and this symmetrical triangle completes in this area, right in this area. Okay, this area right here when we reach here. So couple of more up and down. So up, down, but the price will continue squeezing in this area. Why it will squeeze? Look at this one. This demand was bigger. This is smaller. This supply was faster, and this is expanding supply, means slow supply. So the price was selling for a longer period of time. Again, there will be a smaller demand and a longer supply. So this demand will be smaller than this one. This area, this green will be smaller than this. And next supply, which will come here, will be longer than this one. And then we will have the breakout. So up, down, and breakout. So this is the kind of pattern we are expecting on this one. So we have approximately about 15 to 20 days, I think, before we break out on this one. Okay. So do not rush, but make sure you have a position. So if I give you something like this, so you will see something like this, and then long supply like this, and then breakout. So this is the kind of pattern you will see. Okay, right at this particular candle, the market will sell off, which is about 59 and 60 area, then pull back slowly. There will be a slow decline, and then there will be a sharp breakout, something like this one, right here, this breakout. This is the kind of breakout we are looking at after this. Okay, the origin of the symmetrical triangle. Moving forward to bull, not much of analysis on this one. We have a failed falling wedge, means this was most likely the bottom, and the price is recovering from here. We are watching for 1267. That's the area we'll be taking some action. All the position in the profit at 1267 will be closing, and especially the short put, long position, whatever we can close at 1267 will be closing. Okay, and then we'll reorganize our trade at 1267. That's the area we'll be monitoring. Till then, we are holding the trade. Moving forward to coin on a daily time frame. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are looking for this buy side to continue upward into this wick to mitigate this. Okay, so the price will continue right in this area right here, and then we will decide whether it will sell off, pull back, or it will continue the upside breakout. But from here, it's 100% upside, like 100% confirmed that we will have a bullish uptrend. There is no exception to this. Okay, the price will continue pushing higher and higher every single day. All right, because we have already broken the Fibonacci retracement, we are above the 50 EMA. We have a TEMA bullish, we have a golden cross coming up, we have a RSI bullish, we have a volume picking up. So everything, there is a perfect setup for the bull momentum, means the price upside momentum. Okay. Moving forward to Amazon, we have closed 3 trade in profit in last 1 week, right in this area, 3 different trade. Okay. This was our price target, the exit. This is where we were looking to exit at 228.22. Okay. And we took exit at 230.10 yesterday. So right now trading at 232, our original price target was 238, and then 248, and then 252, and then 278 is the final price target. So there are like 4 different price targets. What we'll be doing since earning is coming and we are bullish on Amazon, we'll be opening a new trade. Okay, most likely bull put credit spread in this area right now. We will not buy the stock. Stock buying is over. We will not open a long position, put our money in the market. Your money should be out of the market. Every single trade you close, hold cash. This is the game over for the market. For the investment is over. Do not try to invest in the market anymore. Okay, so now is the bull put credit spread. So we need to play both sides. If the stock tank, we will split the trade at the drop, and if it continue going upward, the bull put credit spread will make the money while the stock is going up. So you have to be prepared for both sides now, because the market has reached to that point that you can't just be one taking a directional trade like, oh, I'm bullish and I take a long position. This is not the area. This is not the time to take the trade. Okay. Moving forward, core view, again, a similar situation. This bull run, this run, we were looking 100%. We knew this will happen at 214 area. I clearly mentioned that the price will go to 137, and there is no exception. No power in this world could have saved this stock or this bull to go up from here. There is no exception, because we need a lower high for the price to drop on a daily time frame. 137.85 was our price target. We hit our price target yesterday. We closed the trade and we are out. Now we are waiting for the retracement again. This stock has a lot of downside, especially this particular area. If you are looking at this area, which is 104, which is resistance changed into support right here. Yes, 100%. When the circle comes to 108 is a definite long position, but not right now. If you are opening any position right now, you make sure you have a covered call on this one, okay, on the circle. Core view, this is what we are looking at. We have reached the price target. Now we are again waiting for the retracement. We have the lower high and waiting for the pullback in this area. Unless there is some kind of deal, which is the bullshit going on right now in the market, the NVDA signing a deal with Nokia, NVIDIA signing a deal with this, that, creating an artificial economy. And that's a problem for the market. Unless there is a deal, some sort of another agreement, or Oracle signed with CoreView, this and that, and all this bullshit happens, the stock will pull back. Okay. And this fabricated economy, which has been created recently for last almost about 1.5 months, is going on. NVIDIA going and signing on paper with anyone, and next day the stock is bouncing 30-50 billion has been created overnight. And that will not last. That will not last. That will be the reason for the next market crash. This every single day they are creating 100 billion out of thin air. Okay, this is not the realistic thing. Okay, moving forward to HIMS. So stock has been correcting right from here. We are at the trend line. Most likely this is the last candle right here, and we will pull back upside. Okay, maximum liquidity is right at this particular candle. This is where at 40.78. Right when the price was trading at 65, we knew the market will go down, and we were prepared for this one. And we took the exit right in this area around 60 263 area we booked the profit right in this week right here. Okay, we still have more trade going on, and we are building up the new trade right in this area for the recovery of the stock. But worst case, the bottom is right here at the closing of this particular candle, which is about 41 plus minus. So there is a real possibility of price to go to 41 and then bounce. Okay, if the market is going for liquidity, this is where the market is going. So if there is a further drop, let's say $6, $7, do not panic on this one. That's meant to go over there and then bounce back. Okay. Yes, 41 is the real possibility right here, because this is where the institution bought it last time. And if you go on the left on the chart, look here, the multiple rejection right here. Point number 1, 40.80. Point number 2, 40.80. Point number 3, 40.80. This is very strong support line at 40.80. Every time the price goes back to 40.80 and bounce right away. Okay. So even if you go back, you'll find some reference point. Look here. Resistance changed into support right in this area. So resistance changed into support, closing of this particular candle right here, which is the VSA candle, 3970 area, 40 area. So there's a lot of support in a 41 and below, like 40.80 and 40.78 area. And that's why the maximum it can drop to this one, because once the price goes to 40.78, the buyer will jump in and they will start buying right away. They will not be hesitant in that area. And once the buyer jump in, the price started going up. It's very simple. Right now, the stock is not oversold. So there is a possibility of continue a little bit of, it can literally go to 41. If it goes to 41, I'll double down my position and I'll be adding a lot in this area. I don't have big position. I don't have share on this one. I just have some call spread here. So I will close the short call and double down the long call for the profits. So in this area. So I'm good to hold the trade in this area. Okay, moving forward to Tesla. Very interesting. I'm not trading in this area. I know that there is a lot of upside. And if you want to know how much upside, I can show you here. Look. This was the alert posted in the Discord on right here. Let me see if I can bring it to this thing here. I don't know if I could bring, okay, yeah, it will come. So surely I will show you. And the reason being, there is a lot of downside on this stock. And this is what the people fail to understand when the price goes up. They get overexcited. Oh, now once the price will go to 500, people will say, oh, it will go to $1,000. Let's take it to $1,000. Okay. And that's the problem. That itself is the problem when people think it will go to $1,000. Okay. So when the price was trading at 274, 273 area, okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, right in this area on the group chat, right here, Tesla year end. So look at right here, this alert. Updated on 25th of March 2025 at 7:12 a.m. I clearly mentioned update Tesla year-end price target 568.33. That's the max. This is the maximum price. Alerted on 25th of March, right before the April crash. I knew the price will go to 568, and here is the result. If you look at where the price was on 23rd of March, the price was at $273.21. And that's when I knew the price will go to 568 by the year end. So same way, you need to understand, if I can tell you on March, the price will go to 568, I'm telling you now, price can go to 568, but of 568, the price will go back to 273, not $1,000. That's where people go wrong. When the price go up, they think it will continue going upward. It will continue maintain the, it will continue going and never pull back. Okay. So yes, it can push up to 568 upside, because that's stupidity has no break. You need to understand, stupidity doesn't stop. Okay. So they won't stop at 350. They won't stop at 400. They won't stop at 450. They won't stop at 550. I can guarantee you there will be someone putting his life saving at 568 in Tesla. All in his entire account, he will be buying. Oh, let me go all in on Tesla. We are going to $1,000. That's the kind of idiot lives in this world. And that's why people lose money in stock markets. When the price can go 568, there is a guaranteed the price of Tesla will crash 50% from 568. Guaranteed. I can give you in writing today for the next year. 50% crash on Tesla as soon as we hit 568, because stock is already overvalued. Think about, there is another $100 added to the stock. What will happen? So stock is overvalued, and then additional $100 per share has been added to the stock. What will happen? And a lot of people will say, oh, robotaxi is coming, robots is coming, this and that. Okay, no problem. News are created in the stock market. When the propaganda machine will become active against Tesla, they will have a downgrade back to back. They will have a negative news published. They will have an article written. They will have everything you can think of. They will create their entire ecosystem to bring the price down, because they want to create the bag holder and give the higher price to the retail investor. They will create out of thin air negative news. Oh, sale is declining. This is that, blah. They'll make up every story. They will make up a negative articles every single day. You will have a negative article. Tesla callback, this is happening, revenue decline, Cybertruck is failing, it's a failed product, is this, that. They will do all the bullshit in the article, especially on the tip rank, Seeking Alpha, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, Bar Chart, all these news websites. You will see a lot of negative article. And that's how the market works. That's an entire ecosystem working on both directions. When they need to pump the stock, suddenly there is a positive news and upgrade. When they need to dump it, suddenly there is a negative news and the downgrade. This is how the market works. Market doesn't work, you buy and the market goes up. Market is not a fair place to be. If you want to be fair chance, go to Las Vegas. There is a chance that you have some, more fair dealing with the casino, not in the stock market. It's all manipulated. It's all completely fabricated scene here. All right, moving forward tomorrow, what we are looking at, the price drop, we are bouncing off the 50 EMA, and the price will bounce again. We are looking at 23.45 right in this area. Breakout possibility 25. Maximum upside on the Mara is around 32 area, but it's not going to 32 right now. Okay, it will take a little bit longer. So right now I'm looking for a bounce from this area, which is 18.39. Bounce back into 23 area. Take down this high, a little bit higher. Like if you look at this high, this was 21 and 21.54. That was 23, approximately $2. So this range, another 23, so 25 something, like 23 plus minus. That's what we are looking at, this wave 5. And the trend will end and then we'll start pulling back. Moving forward to MSTR, the stock has been punished for a long enough. We are looking for the recovery rise right in this area. This is probably the bottom candle we already hit 4 days back. If we maintain the closing of this candle right here, which is 280, 279 something, the closing of this candle was, let me give the closing. Closing was 287.10. As long as we maintain 287, we'll stay upside. Right now trading at 286. So very close, like it's a neck-to-neck fight. Overall stock is bullish. We have a golden cross coming up. We have a RSI bullish divergence. So we'll see if the recovery happens. We are going for 360 area, 365 area, like equal high of this one. That's the minimum price target we are looking at, and then will be another pullback. So right now from here, up, down, sideline, whatever happens, we are looking for 365. We are looking for upside recovery. We are not looking for $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, which is bullshit on Twitter. We are just looking for 360 and we are done. All right, moving forward to Meta, I alerted in the Discord to buy at 709 right now, right in this area, right? This is where the trade was alerted. This candle was our reference point, and this candle was our entry right here on 14th of October. That 709 take the trade at the closing of this particular candle. The price came for us and bounce off. We closed the trade, okay, around 740. We are out of the trade right now. Maximum it can go to 786 on the earning. I would suggest stay clear on this one because there is a lot happening. The Meta earning and some big earning coming along with the rate cut. There's a lot of things happening this week. It's better not to put your money in the market. Okay. If you sell any position in profit, hold your cash. Hold your cash. This is the time. This week, Atlas don't open new position. This particular week, which is going on, it's another 3 days left. So try not to open a new position. Short selling puts, selling call, selling put, and it's okay to have a premium collected, but do not put your money. Hold cash. Okay. Moving forward to NEO, we have booked the profit multiple times. Every time it goes to 691, we are a buyer. Every time it goes to 710, we are an exit. Yesterday, we got the 691, 690 filled. I got filled at 690. I'll be closing the trade right now, which is at 712. So that's good, 22 cents, 3%. Overnight, we are out. Okay. So we are scalping on NEO right here. So we are not looking to hold the long position. It's a scalp. So 22 cent overnight, we are good and we'll be out. So moving forward to Oscar. We are holding a short put. We are ready for the bounce off above the 50 EMA green candle. The prices we are looking for 23-24 area. Moving forward to Costco, still good to add a long position. Any drop right in this area around 903 at the trend line. But Costco is a slow moving stock. Yeah, MSTX is always works with MSTR. There is no analysis on the MSTX. When you have a leverage ETF, there is no analysis on MSTX. MSTX itself has no basis, no technical analysis. Whatever the MSTR will do, MSTX will do the same thing. Okay, so for the MSTX, you need to understand MSTR. Okay, moving forward to the Costco, if the price drop into 905 area, again, we'll be adding this in a 401k TFS in IRA. This is the good stock, but not for the trading accounts. You buy a few share and like 100 share, 50 share, whatever you can take, buy in your 401k, right in 910 area, and then leave it again for a few weeks. Moving forward to Melly, a decent run. We booked the profit right in this area. We took the position right at this particular candle, right in 2096, 2100. Okay, we are looking, there is a lot of upside right here. We'll have a clear breakout. One red candle right in this area at 2284, 2090 area, right in this area. One red candle there will be to retest this high, okay, 2282. So one small red candle and the price will continue. The color may be even green, but there will be a small candle pullback in this area, and then the price will continue. Overall, we are heading into 25 and 3000 plus. So long-term call spread is a good option to trade on this one. CTHS, we just booked the profit pre-market. So we bought it at 66. Pre-market, it was trading at 72. I just took the exit. So, and I think it's now dropping again. All right. So 72, right at this candle, I booked the profit. Right at the pre-market, I alerted, booked the profit right away. We took the position at 66 something, some 82 cents. Moving forward to Into, there is a lot of upside on this stock. Into, INTU. Okay. A lot of upside, but we'll wait for the better entry. We are not buying in this area. So a little bit of overall market retracement back into about 2 to 3% down, and then we'll be taking a position. Moving forward to ALGN. Okay, stay clear as if now. Okay, we don't have a trade. We have a rejection from the 50 EMA, means the price is going back. Once we have a clear rejection, the wick, long wick, selling pressure, red candle, downside fill up of the volume of this particular candle means the trend has turned bearish. The price will continue dropping on ALGN. Moving forward to DKNG, DraftKings. This is the stock that you want to build your position. Okay, right in this area, equal low right from here, which is coming from the 4th of April. So I think there is nothing to worry about at all on this stock. It will take few weeks. This is not breaking out tomorrow. There is a little bit of bounce we will expect on the earning, which is happening on 6th of November. But eventually the stock will recover back into 42 area. I'm looking for 42.53, right? The spinning of this particular candle, this trend. 42.84, and we'll be out with all the trade. Moving forward to DXM. I have to go fast because market is about to open. DXM, wait, no entry, bearish trend. ASST, another treasury company, okay, right here. So good for scalping, in and out on a smaller time frame. Do not try to build a position right here because it has a lot of downside. It can literally fall to 70 cents. There is another 50% downside, but scalping is okay on a smaller time frame, like 5-minute time frame, 2-minute time frame. You can do the scalping on this one. Very similar to the NEO, okay. Those who know, those who are in the Discord, they know how to do the scalping. Okay, QBTS, most likely double top right here and then sell off. I will not short the market right here. I will let the stock come to double top before I take a short position on this one. QS, a lot of downside, and that's what I told. We will have a lower high point when the price was going upward. I told, don't get excited in this box. We have a red candle, price will come to 1137. If you wait patiently, the price will come to you. Again, QUBT, I'm not touching it. Let the price go upward into equal high, and we'll be taking a short position. Moving forward, RDDT, we have booked the profit and we'll wait for the retracement. Again, we are out of this trade. Wave B maximum to 35.99, and there will be another sell-off. RGTI, another garbage. Stay clear. Moving forward to Rivian, 13.50 precisely. We have a covered call 31st of October, expiring 13.50. Most likely share will be called away and the capital will be free. Continue holding your share with the covered call for 31st of October, which is day after tomorrow. Okay, 99% chance our share will be called away on this one. Okay, and we'll get the decent premium on this one, which is I think was more than 7% within 1 week, and that's good on Rivian. And then after on the Monday, we'll start the new position on this one. Okay. Moving forward to Rest Live. This is a takeover target. It will take few weeks. It's not your stock that which can go parabolic tomorrow, but before 20th of February, there will be a big breakout on this one. Moving forward to SMCI, we opened the trade yesterday. Right away, we were in profit. This is what we are looking at. We are in a bull flag, this pattern. There is a major breakout. Doesn't matter some downgrade yesterday. Those people probably have a short position. It's not going to 14. It's not going to happen. Some bullshit downgrade. Look at the price, 53.93, just down the breakout, 54 right now. Okay, so the market is open, bullish. Okay, market is open. I have to stop here. Thank you so much for tuning in. There was a lot to cover. I couldn't cover all of them today, so I'll add rest of the stock tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.